Moving on to question number 3. Question number 3, fourth one I have taken 2 into 4 minus 3x less than equal to 4 into x minus 5x. X belongs to a whole number. No problem. You take this number as a for solution and then solve it just like linear equation. 8 minus 6x is less than equal to 4x minus 20. Now x you keep it to the left hand side, minus 6x minus 4x minus 20, 8 goes that side, minus 8. So minus 10x is less than equal to minus 28. Now see, it is minus case, so the sign will be reversing. So x will become greater than equal to 28 by 10, so that minus will be eliminated. 28 by 10 means 2.8. So x is greater than equal to 2.8 where x is a whole number, that is the domain, that is the replacement set. So all the values of 2.8 and more of whole number will be its solution set. So solution set will be what? 2.8 cannot be a whole number, so 3 can be, greater value can be. So 3, 4, 5, 6 and ellipsis is the solution set. So solution set you have to write like this, always in a set form, and for every equation you have to find the solution set. If it is said to you graphical representation, you have to draw a line graph and then you have to draw the scale accordingly. Here it is a whole number, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is given to 3, 4, 5, 6 and ellipsis I have given to you. That's all. That means it continues in the order 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and infinite. Now question number third one, fifth. See, 2 into 4x minus 1 is less than 4 into 3x plus 1. So if you have solved it like linear equation, transpose that one, x value become, x is greater than minus 1.5. Minus 1.5 is the value where the solution set is all the negative integer. See, x value, the variable which is greater than minus 1.5 and negative integer will be 2 minus 2 greater value. That means what will be greater integer of minus 1.5 can be only negative integer. Greater negative integer of minus 1.5 only can be minus 1. So negative integer starts from minus 1. So that is the greatest negative integer. So minus 1 is the solution set for it. Now it is not said to you to draw a number line, that is why I have not drawn it. Question number 4 is given to you as 3 into whole multiplied 4 into n minus 2 minus 1 minus n first bracket close, and that is less than equal to n plus 1. N belongs to a whole number. So you solve it just like linear equation. If you solve a linear equation, 14n is less than equal to 28, it will come. It will not change its sign because no negative value has come for the variable. So n belongs to 28 by 2, that is 2. Then that is a whole number. So all the values of whole number which is less than equal to 2, 0, 1 and 2. So 0, 1 and 2 on the number line you are done, and solution set you have done it as 0, 1 and 2. So this solution set of this number line has to be done. Now moving on to question number 5. Second one I have taken 15 is greater than 2x minus 7, which is greater than 7. See, 3 equation is there. This can be solved in 2 ways. It can be solved as taking these 2 in equation and finding out the value as x is greater than 11. Again, next 2x minus 7 is greater than 7. This and this 2 and this. So that you can do where it has come x is greater than 7. X is lesser than 11 and x is greater than 7. X will lie in between, and greater than 7 it will be and lesser than 11 it will be. So you will have to write down like this after solving it separately. Both, see, inequation is given in 3 terms, left hand side, middle and right hand side. Left hand side and middle you take it and solve it, you will find one solution. Now middle and right hand side you take it, then you solve, you will find some solution. Then at last x should be at the middle, and you have to see this, the value of this x value is lesser than 11 and greater than 7, and x belongs to a real number. Real number scale will be different. Otherwise you can do this what I do, I don't do separately, I do this way. How? See, the middle value 2x minus 7, you keep it first minus 7. From the middle only you transpose, make here only x variable. So middle, if you are transposing minus 7 to other side, both the side you have to transpose. Mind it, both the side you have to transpose the same value. Minus 7, if you are sending it to the right hand side also plus 7, and you are sending left hand side or plus 7, minus 7 is sending to the right hand side, same times with plus 7. Minus 7, it is transposed two sides, both the side. Could you understand? Now 2 is multiplied here, 2 you divide to the left hand side, 2 you divide to the right hand side. So this will be the 2x is there. No, say 2, if you divide it, then 22 divided by 2 is 11, 14 divided by 2 is 7. So it will come same as x is greater than, lesser than 11 and greater than 7. Same thing has come, you see, in this also and in this also. The solution set will be what? So x value will be real number, all the real number, all the fractional number, all the numbers, all the point number from from 7 till, from 7 means not up to 7, before 7 and before 11, all the values. The solution set, for solution set of real number, no, you can't take it out in a number value because all the point value is also there. That is why you will write down like this only solution set, and you will give x belongs to real number. So you will write down the same solution part, and then you will write down the domain. This way you will write down the solution set. Now how will you draw the number line of it? Very carefully listen. It has not reached to 7. So what is the scale? From 7 to 11. 7 to 11 it will go. All the part. It is not the number is bubbled, because in between 7 and 8 also it is lying. In between 8 and 9 also all the fractional value lies. So from 7 till 11 all the fractional values lies, but not 7 and not 11. That is why it is a hollow round. It is a hollow round. It is not a covered round. It will be just like a circle, and it will not be a closed bubble. Could you understand? 7 and 11 both, because it has not reached till 7, it has not reached till 11. I hope you have understood. If it is equal to greater than equal to 7, then 7 could have been blocked completely. If it could have been 11 less than equal to 11, then it could have been 11 would have been blocked. Could you understand me? Now moving on to question number 6, minus 4 minus which is it is again having 3 terms. So what you do is, from the middle you transpose minus 8, you transpose for this side. Similarly minus 8 will be transposed to that side. Both the side will have to transpose the same value. Minus 8 become plus, minus 8 become plus 8. See, here transposing something as plus and all, it will not change its sign. When the x value will come by negative, that time if you are multiplying something with x or dividing something with x, that time value will change. So x value negative, that time sign will change, otherwise it will not change. Minus 8 is transposed, so it will become plus 8, and minus 8 simultaneously will transpose to the right hand side also. Then minus 2 will be divided from left hand side. Minus 2 will be divided from right hand side, which will become minus 4, and this side minus 8. So x value is, x is less than equal to minus 4, greater than minus 8, greater than minus 8 but less than equal to minus 4. That will be the solution set. We have to write down like this only. See, x is less than equal to 8 and greater than minus 8. So from minus 4, see the scale, see minus 4 is always greater than minus 8, mind this. So from minus 4 is completely bubbled because it is equal to also. So it includes minus 4 value also, but minus 8 value is not included because it is lesser than minus 8. That is why minus 8 will not be completely darkened as like minus 4. So it will be hollow. So, and all the values you will have to, all the values, not the particular value. I hope you have understood. Do of your own doubt if any, talk to me.